Hey, welcome back to ClearSpot. Watch this. 2 solar sites, same location, same weather, same equipment. Site A cleans every panel quarterly on a fixed schedule. Site B uses AI-driven cleaning optimization. After 1 year, Site B produces 8% more energy. That's $240K additional revenue on a 50 megawatt farm. The difference? Site B only cleans panels when AI predicts cleaning will generate positive ROI. They clean 40% less often, but get 8% better results. Today, I'm exposing the cleaning myth costing you hundreds of thousands. Most operators clean on fixed schedules, quarterly, biannually, or when someone notices the panels look dirty. That's inefficient. Why? Because soiling accumulates unevenly. Panels near roads get dirtier faster. Panels downwind of agricultural fields accumulate dust 3x faster. Panels in shaded morning zones have dew longer, attracting more particulates. A fixed schedule overcleans some zones and undercleans others. Overcleaning wastes budget. Undercleaning loses production. The average solar farm spends 15K to 25K per cleaning cycle. If you're cleaning when you don't need to, you're burning cash. If you're waiting too long, you're losing energy. You're thinking, cleaning is simple. Dirty panels need less power, just clean them. Not that simple. Cleaning has costs: water, labor, equipment, downtime. If your panels are 95% efficient due to light soiling and cleaning boosts them to 98%, you gain 3% production. But if cleaning costs 20K and your 3% production gain only generates 12K in that period, you lost 8K. The question isn't, are the panels dirty? It's, is cleaning profitable right now? AI-driven cleaning optimization works like this. Step 1. Drone thermal plus visual inspection identifies soiling levels zone by zone. Not, the farm is dirty, but Zone 3 East is 12% dirty, Zone 7 West is 4% dirty. Step 2. AI calculates cleaning ROI per zone. It factors in current energy prices, weather forecast, rain in 3 days, don't clean, soiling rate, and cleaning cost. Step 3. The system generates a prioritized cleaning schedule. Clean Zone 3 East now, ROI. 18K revenue versus 8K cost. Delay Zone 7 West until soiling hits 8%, not profitable yet. This is precision cleaning, not guessing, not fixed schedules. Data-driven ROI optimization. We've covered why fixed cleaning schedules waste money and how uneven soiling patterns make blanket cleaning inefficient. The solution is AI-driven zone-specific cleaning based on ROI, not guesswork. Your cleaning strategy is probably costing you 8% in lost production or wasted budget. Maybe both, but you can fix it in 60 days. Schedule a free iCleaning optimization analysis. We'll analyze 1 year of your production data, run drone soiling assessments, and build your optimized cleaning calendar. Show you exactly which zones to clean, when to clean them, and how much revenue you'll recover. For 50 megawatt farms, this typically saves 80K 150K annually. Book your free analysis. First 20 of operators get a 12-month cleaning ROI report. 2 solar sites, same conditions. Site A cleans quarterly on a fixed schedule. Site B uses AI-driven cleaning optimization. After 1 year, Site B produces 8% more energy, 240K additional revenue on a 50 megawatt farm. The secret? AI-driven zone-specific cleaning based on ROI, not fixed schedules. Like, share, and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot. Smart device, smarter decisions.